I was at work. I started my job at Kroger, working in the meat department at September 7th. And I was actually just starting out. And my boss came up to me. Two planes hit the World Trade Center. So that had already happened. And I initially knocked it off, like, and I thought it was people on the Hudson flying around. And I kind of went to shrug. But then he told me, he said the Pentagon was hit. That's when I stopped working. I was like, what? And I stopped working. My boss took me back to the meat department room where everybody was gathered around a radio, listening to it come over the radio, trying to tell us reports. Now, actually, I finished my whole day of work there, and then I went home and saw it on TV at 3:30. But mostly everything I got came through the radio. Going to sleep that night was a very odd feeling. And even if you weren't even like me, nothing to do with it, you weren't near New York, even trying to sleep that night, get the images out of your head was hard to do for me.